is Fan, and this is my classroom PC1 Group 1, and I will show you of the condition in my classroom. Welcome! And this is my seat where I sit every day, and this is Min and Kan, and there are 3 of my friends that we have lunch together. And in this classroom, air conditioner is quite cold. Even though I'm sit in the back classroom, and there are 2 people in the another side. Her name is Tan and Nan. And what do you feel about this classroom?
Oh, the class is so funny. Yes, amazing. Yeah, we always have fun and a good time and happiness together.
Yeah.
And the teacher, all teachers that we have is so good. Yeah, so nice. What about you? Okay, go on.
Yeah.
Go on.
And what about what do you think about our classroom? You only say good? Don't this description anything?
Good.
Okay, thanks. Let's talk about my opinion. Yeah, I think this classroom is very nice. It has new technology, computer, internet, projector, and whiteboard. So I'm really happy